Andy was absolutely fantastic. We feel so energised. It was amazing to see the transformation in their attitude, their body language and how they felt about themselves.
It's really inspirational for all the children and it's really positive for all the teaching staff. So my class experienced the resilience training this morning, and then their maths lesson afterwards, they were just so much more focused and engaged and confident. And one little boy who last week was crying because he couldn't tell the time came in and was like, I get it today, and he was just a lot happier and a lot more confident. Compared to other inset training, I felt a lot more focused on this. I sometimes zone out a bit at the end of the training, whereas I felt engaged all the way to the end.
We talked about recovering quickly from situations that might knock us down.
The difference that it's had in their confidence, the way they've been talking, the way they've been running around in the playground, amazing. For all of our students and our staff, amazing.
You did me wrong, but I've been through stormy weather.
Describe it as inspirational and motivating as well. I feel like I want to go away and start thinking about what I'm going to do in lessons tomorrow.
I think it will make a massive difference. I think within the life we live in, where there are mental health problems, I think this could really, make a positive spin and make a difference to many, many children.
Just do it. They're amazing.
Put urban strides into your annual budget. It's such good value for money, such good quality, the best quality of teaching you're going to get, and your children will benefit from it for the rest of the year until you can get them in again. Don't waste time, just book them.
Still moving strong.